Hello, I am Halse. Today we are going to see about trigonometry. So basically, trigonometry is the relation between side length and angle of triangles. So trigonometry contains identities and ratios. So first of all, we will see what is ratio. So, so as a basic of a ratio, it is nothing but comparison of comparison comparison of two quantities quantity having same unit having same unit. Okay, so for example, we compare we can compare 4 centimeter is to 7 centimeter. So basically we represent ratios in this format, or we can represent it, or can represent it in text format also. So as we can see, the unit is centimeter and this side also centimeter. So basically ratio is comparison of two quantity having same units. So in case of trigonometry, first of all we need to know about some properties of right angle triangle. So suppose, so let me draw first triangle. Okay, so this is one side of triangle, this is another side of triangle, and this is okay. Basically we are drawn here a right angle triangle. So, this is a 90-degree angle, so name it A B C. So as a property of triangle, the side opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse, and other two sides, one of them is base and another is height. Okay, so basically we see this, this is base, this is height, or we can consider AB as a base and CB as a height. Okay, so after this, if we consider the angles of this triangle, so this is 90 degree, this angle we don't know, and this also. Okay, so for that, for the moment, consider this as a angle alpha and this as a angle beta. Now let's redefine these sides. So consider this as so we will redefine these sides according to the position uh, with respect to the angle. So for example, if we are considering alpha, then this side AB is opposite to alpha. So this is opposite side. Okay, and likewise, so hypotenuse is fixed because it is opposite side to 90 degree. We need to just define these two sides. So uh, what side opposite to alpha is side in front of alpha is opposite side with respect to alpha. Next, this is adjacent side because it is adjacent to that the angle which we have considered. So adjacent side. Okay, so now we are going to compare, or we can say we are going to write the ratios of these sides. Okay, with respect to this angle alpha. Okay, so first consider, uh, if you consider first these two sides, opposite side and hypotenuse. So let me clear some part. Okay, so first we consider opposite upon comparison of opposite side with respect to hypotenuse. So write it as short form hypo. Okay, so we can see opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Now we got this ratio, and to represent this ratio as trigonometrically, so we name these as, and with respect to this angle alpha, we assign it as or name this as sine alpha. So this is sine alpha equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse. So let me write it, hypotenuse. Okay, so sine alpha means this side opposite to the hypotenuse. Now just likewise compare hypotenuse, adjacent side with respect to hypotenuse. So adjacent side, adjacent side with respect to hypotenuse. Okay, so this will be BC upon AC. So again, trigonometrically, we can represent this ratio as cos alpha. Okay. Now remaining, so as we have compared this side and this side. Okay. Let me change the color. Okay. So we have compared this side and this side. So we get ratio as cos alpha, and we compare this side, opposite side upon hypotenuse, we get sine alpha. Okay, so next we are going to compare this adjacent side and opposite side, so we can say opposite side upon adjacent side. So simply, uh, again, opposite side upon adjacent side. Okay, so this will become AB upon BC, and this ratio is given as tan alpha. Okay, so these are the basic ratios of trigonometry. Okay, so as we have compared first opposite upon hypotenuse, then adjacent upon hypotenuse, then opposite upon adjacent, and we got this. Okay, so next we are going to compare in reciprocal form, or we can say in reverse form. That is, let's compare hypotenuse with, so as we have seen in this example, if you want to write these two numbers as a ratio, we can compare this as 4 is to 7. or 7 raised to 4. Okay, so likewise we also going to compare these sides in another format. Okay, so let me clear this first. Okay, so first of all we are going to compare uh, okay, so here angle is going to be same for uh, compare for ratios identity. Okay, so first of all uh, let me take, yeah, so first we have seen opposite side upon hypotenuse, and now in this case consider hypotenuse upon opposite side. So this will be AC upon AB. Okay, so this ratio is named as cosec alpha. Okay, so next we are going to compare hypotenuse hypotenuse with adjacent adjacent side, that is BC upon AC. Oh, sorry, AC upon BC. AC upon BC, and this ratio is known as sec alpha. And finally, we are going to compare adjacent side with opposite side. Okay, so that is equals to BC upon AB, and this is given as cot alpha. Okay, so this is basic ratios of trigonometry. In next lecture we will see some identities, some reciprocal form of this ratios. Okay, for so thank you for this. We will see in next lecture.